Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Thank you for joining me on my channel today where I do all things planner related, fountain pen and fountain pen inks. Today we are going to do my monthly setup in my passport planner, and this is not actually a passport planner, it's a Hobonichi notebook that has been cut down to passport size, and this is what I will be using really for the remainder of the year. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw in the grid for the month and get all of this set up before I start decorating. I think the hardest part for me when it comes to anything like this is making sure that I get the grid correct. And I've measured it out beforehand, and then I'm going to draw it in with my Hobonichi Techo Uniball. But this will probably be the smallest in terms of monthly spreads I've ever had to work with. And I use my monthly spread for social media, planning out my YouTube content. And it's really helpful for me to see it all in one place like this. Then I can plan out what days have which videos. I'm currently doing 4 videos a week, and it is working out well for me. Here we go. I used to have actually a whole other planner, like one whole planner dedicated to just social media planning, and it was too much. I don't need a whole other planner just for this. I just need the overview of the month, and then my to-do list through each week, or in my weekly spread, will let me, or I will write down what I need in terms of what videos need to be filmed and uploaded. And I've created a good enough habit, behavior, schedule that it fits in really well with what's going on in my life right now. And I do feel like I have more time to work on YouTube now that I'm no longer, and that I no longer have my sticker shop open. But I don't think I'm going to add or do anything different with my YouTube. I'm just going to continue filming the content that I like to film. I mean, I was wanting to add like those week in the life videos, but I don't know. I wonder how much of that you'd actually want to see other than Lucy. All right, so there is the grid. So in terms of what I'm decorating with, I actually found this freebie from Katie Makes Stickers. This was from a Canada or Canadian planners sale from I think last year, and I've just been holding on to it, and I really want to make use of what's currently in my stash. So I'm going to set that aside here as to what I'm going to plan with, and then I'm going to go ahead and write in, let's make sure I have blotting paper here, write in the month. So we are in September, and then the days of the week. So we'll have a Monday start, Tuesday, and I don't know how long I've been working out of a Monday start for. I think probably since university. Go. Then the days of the week I'm going to do in a purple. Probably this has a purple in it, but also the other one has a purple in it. Let's see. Yeah, let's just do this. This is my Walltown Watts Glinda, and this has Diamine Deck the Halls in here. So when is the 1st of September? Monday. So 1, 2. And setting up a passport size monthly spread doesn't actually take too long. I know some people, though, would rather not take the extra time to be able to do that, and that's absolutely okay. But for the purposes of saving money and not having to buy booklets for the end of the year or up until the end of the year. I am okay taking the extra time to do these monthly setups, save myself a bit of money. 29 and 30. Okay. Then let's go ahead and start putting these stickers down. So making sure that that ink is dry. Ooh, I like that. And then right in the corner, or as much in the corner as I can be. Pretty. And then this one I'm actually going to put up here in this corner. Not too worried about the fact that I'm going to cover the month and the days of the week for the first little bit here. Oh, that's gorgeous. I already love that. Then I have just a few more pieces here that I could use throughout the spread. Let's get my tweezers. And let's see. I'm going to place this floral probably across the middle. No, actually, let's just do it here. And I'm okay placing it there right above Wednesday because I don't really post anything on Wednesdays. Oops. And then let's put one here because I don't post anything really on Fridays either. Then a few leaves around. I like it. And I was able to use a freebie. Really trying to use up my stash and use up what I have. Oh, it's so satisfying. Even if it's just a freebie sheet, it's satisfying to be able to finish that. Okay, so now I want to, what pen do I want to use? Let's use my Mayfair pens. This is Noldor and Valinor, and I have Tono and Limbs, Boundary Between Like and Dislike in here. So I'm going to just write the videos that I know I'm going to put through here. So my weeks, no, not my weeks, my passport, Plan With Me. And that's going to basically be the same for all Tuesday. This is me assuming that I'm going to still enjoy using my passport planner into September, but I think I will, just from how I'm feeling about it right now. I really think that this is something that I'm going to stick with until the end of the year and possibly 2026. Okay, then Thursday, I'm going to do my progress update. Ooh, this is a tough one because I want my progress update. And I haven't decided if for the month of September, I'm going to do 15 inks 30 days, or if I'm just going to take a rest from that and just do a currently inked. I think I might just do a currently inked. So progress report. Then I'm going to do the SF pen show vlog, and then my currently inked. And then I'll probably have the SF pen show haul. And then I'm going to do my, oh, did I already do, no, not my pink inks. I will do, well, what's left really is gray and brown. And there's really not going to be a lot in the gray inks. And then, do I have any, I'm looking through my spreadsheet right now, and I'm currently working through an inventory of all of my, I guess, bottled inks. And in terms of my bottled inks, I don't think I have a lot in the letter B category. I'm looking at that right now. Yeah, and hardly any in the C, but I do have D. So I'm going to do all of my diamine inks. Okay, not sure what I'm going to do on the Thursdays yet. I might be switching a few things around here, we'll see how I feel in terms of how much content I'm going to put through going forward. Do I put it back to just 3 videos a week, or I don't know. We will see. We will see. And maybe even doing like a planner update. But again, this plan, I guess, kind of changes as the year or as the month goes, and then I just go in there and write in as I need to. And then what I do on the side here as well is write down the stickers that I plan to use each week, so that I am basically shopping my stash and not having to shop for more stickers if needed. Okay, that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching this monthly setup. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.